In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dictate mode in ChatGPT. If you prefer speaking over typing, or you just want a faster, more natural way to get your thoughts into a conversation, this feature makes it simple and smooth. Start by opening a chat. Any chat will do. The key is that you're inside a conversation where you can enter a message. Look down at the chat box where you normally type. Right there, you'll see a small microphone icon. That's your shortcut to hands-free messaging. Click the microphone icon and dictate mode turns on. From this point, you can speak naturally and your words will be transcribed into the message field, so you don't have to type a thing. You'll know it's listening because the microphone icon typically looks active while it's capturing your voice. As you talk, you should see your speech appear as text in the chat input area. Think of it like having a super fast typist capturing your words in real time. When you pause, the text will update, giving you a moment to gather your thoughts before continuing. It's a simple, direct way to communicate, especially when your hands are busy or you want to capture ideas quickly. For best results, speak clearly at a comfortable pace and keep your sentences straightforward. A quiet environment helps the system distinguish your voice from background noise, and a steady rhythm makes transcription more accurate. If you notice anything that doesn't look quite right in the text field, take a quick glance and keep going. Staying calm and conversational usually improves recognition over time. If you don't immediately see the microphone icon, make sure you're focused on the chat box where messages are composed. On some screens, the icon may sit just inside or beside the message field. Once you've found it and clicked it, you're set. There's nothing else to set up in this process. The goal is to keep everything as lightweight and efficient as possible so you can start talking and let the tool handle the rest. That's really all there is to it. Open a chat, click the microphone, and talk. Dictate mode turns your voice into text, helping you share ideas faster, cut down on typing, and keep your flow going. It's perfect for quick questions, detailed explanations, or capturing thoughts the moment they pop into your head. Give it a try the next time you're in a conversation and want to move from keyboard to voice. Once you experience how smooth it feels, it may quickly become your go-to way to chat.